Look at these gorgeous and delicious chicken legs that I made, aka drumstick. Delicious. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Great Glamour GGN. Today I made chicken drumsticks in the oven. Those are the ingredients that I used to make it. Before I proceed any further, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and click the notification bell. Thank you. I used 2 kilos of chicken legs drumstick. I used 3 jalapeno, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, and the spices I used are 1 tablespoon each of black pepper, seasoning powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and white pepper. Now I am going to cut all the vegetables that I'll use to marinate the drumstick. I will cut all of them, then I will blend all of them together. I added 2 scotch bonnet pepper because I want it to be spicy. If you are making drumstick for a large gathering, this is also a way you can make it. It comes out tasteful, very delicious. Have you ever wondered why chicken legs are called drumsticks? Yeah, I guess you must have wondered at one time. Why? It's because they look exactly like drumsticks. Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah, you already know it. Very good. When you have blended the vegetables, you now add the spices. Sorry, I added the spices off camera. You add the spices to the chicken, and now you add the blended vegetable to the chicken. Mix everything very well. Cover with a plastic film and marinate for 24 hours, that is overnight. You have to marinate it overnight so that the spices will get into the meat and bring out the taste. I bet you if you do it this way, you will enjoy this chicken leg. Yeah. Marinate overnight. The next day we bring out our chicken to cook. Pour everything into a pot. Add chopped onions. You can use red onions if you wish. I use white onions here. And then you add a glass of white wine. Don't add water. I repeat, don't add water. Add white wine. You will like the taste of the meat. Just a little bit. Don't add much wine. Mix everything together, cover and cook for 15 minutes. It doesn't take time to cook because this is tender chicken. After 15 minutes, now we have our chicken cooked and ready to be roasted in the oven. The taste and flavor of the wine and the ingredients has all saturated into the meat, and it comes out delicious. Sorry, I forgot to place a foil on the oven pan. I will advise you to do that so that it doesn't stick. Now put in the oven until it turns brown or golden in color, and you have your perfect oven baked drumsticks. Very delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment on the video, share my video, and subscribe if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.